Come and let us spill this already spilled juice. Singene phakathi kweendaba zabantu shiqi. And we are going to talk about Slikour. Now, Ushwashi reported no more marital bills for Slikour as wife pulls plug over cheating. This was reported on the 11th of February 2022 by Ngwaku Malachi. Melissa Wilson has dumped her husband Siyabonga Slikour Metani a year after they publicly celebrate their 5-year anniversary. The brief story says hip-hop Yanganat Slikour has been dumped by his wife after she accused him of abusing and cheating on her. Sunday World can exclusively reveal that Slikour, real name Siyabonga Matiane, has been kicked to the curb by the mother of his wife Melissa Wilson a year after publicly celebrating their 5-year anniversary. Guys, there is this thing after publicly celebrating that makes the public not to become public. And I'm like, just a year after, not even a year, months after Boys to Men has come to South Africa and said, end of the road. Hey, guys, it is the end of the road. First couple down. I don't know. For me, this is the first public celebrity couple down this year. Bye-bye, marital. Please, come, guys. Ni join the divorcees. Lere, haka, matorokis, yama return soldiers. Tell me what you think about the story. I love you. Peace, bye.